I'm going to show you how I made $768 on YouTube without showing my face and without using my voice, just by uploading faceless YouTube videos. Okay, I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step, how you can find trending and interesting topic. I'm going to share with you my method, how you can turn this, how you can make an engaging YouTube script, and how you can turn this YouTube script into voiceover, then this voiceover into professional and engaging faceless YouTube video that you can upload to your YouTube channel and start your own YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see over here, it's up to $768. That's really a lot of money. Okay, so first what you need to do, so you need to choose specific topics that people will be interested to watch. So what you will do is you will go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so let's go to YouTube. So let me show you. Just go to your YouTube homepage like this. Okay, and I will show you how you can find interesting and trending topics that people are searching for. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on the search and you need to ask a question. So for example, we will ask how, so for example, let's ask how to invest, for example, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. As you can see, people are searching for how to invest in stocks for beginners, how to invest in Netflix and earn money, how to invest in crypto, how to invest money, how to invest in real estate, how to invest in cryptocurrency. Those are the topics that people are searching for, as you can see over here. Okay, so if you make a YouTube video about one of those topics, you will get views, get subscribers, and you can grow your YouTube channel fast, and you can get monetized, and you can start making money because you are making videos that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so for example, let's take this one, how to invest in crypto. What you need to do is you need to create a YouTube script about this topic. So what you will do, you just need to go to your ChatGPT account. I'm just using ChatGPT. I'm gonna show you how you can do it. If you don't have an account on ChatGPT, I'm using the free version. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so just click over here and ask ChatGPT, make an engaging YouTube script about how to invest, okay, about how to invest in crypto. Okay, like this, and ChatGPT will create an engaging and professional YouTube script for you. As you can see over here, we'll give you the title and it will give you your introduction, segment 1, segment 2, and so on. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. So you have two choices. You can use your own voiceover or you can use this website that I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so let's see. ChatGPT, this is your title. As you can see, Beginner's Guide to Smart Cryptocurrency Investing. Great title. Introduction, your introduction, and segment 1. And here you go. So what you will do is you will copy this script. So I'm gonna just copy this part, guys, to show you. Okay, so let me copy just this part. So like I said, you have two choices. You can use your own voiceover if you want. If you don't want to use your own voiceover, you can go to Google and search for this website. Search for PlayHT. Okay, so let me show you. Just go to Google, it's easy, and search for, click on the search for PlayHT like this, and click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So you can see over here, change voice, click on the voiceover. They have different voiceovers. You can check those voiceovers and see which one you like to use for your YouTube videos. They have American voiceover, British voiceover, Australian voiceover, Canadian voiceover, and those voiceover are in great quality. So let's check, for example, this one. Nicole.
No-nonsense investigator, Tyler Elliott. A far cry from the roles for which he is best known. Elliott was a...
As you can see, let's check this one. Chris.
Dude, I remember, yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it just looks like they're doing nothing, kind of like they're dumb and they're...
As you can see, for me, I like those voices. I like this one, Chris. I'm gonna click on this one and click over here on confirm. Okay, then put your YouTube script here. This is my YouTube script, and click over here on, okay, so let's go to ChatGPT. I'm gonna copy segment number 2, so let me show you. Okay, so let's see. Now you should consider, okay, I'm gonna copy this part to add to make the video long. Let's go to this website again. Put this one here and click over here on generate speech. Okay, and you just need to wait a few seconds and your YouTube script will be recorded. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to turn this voiceover into an engaging and professional YouTube video. I'm gonna show you step by step how you can do it for free. Okay, so you can start for free. You don't need to invest any money. You can start just by investing your time. Here you go. Let's check this one.
Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. What is cryptocurrency? Simply put, it's a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security.
Here you go. What you will do, click over here on this icon over here, and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. So what you need to do to turn this voiceover into an engaging and professional YouTube video, you just need to go to Canva. Okay, so we will use Canva, easy and simple. If you don't have an account on Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Click over here on video, okay? Then you will be directly in this page over here. Click on upload, as you can see over here. Click on upload file and you need to upload your voiceover, okay? So I'm gonna upload my voiceover over here. Click on open and your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be under this page. Click on add page, add page, add page, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover, like that. Okay, then go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition and choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make them more engaging and professional. For me, for example, I'm going to choose just this simple one. Make it to 0.3. Click on apply between all page. And here you go. What you need to do next is you need to click over here on elements like this. Click on the search. And you need to search for, this video is about cryptocurrency. Search for crypto, okay? Search for cryptocurrency, it's the same. Click on video, okay? Click on videos because we need videos. And here you go. You will find a lot of videos about cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's scroll down. Let's choose one of those videos, for example. Okay, let me see. Let's search for cryptocurrency. Okay, like this. So I will click on the first video. For example, I like to use this one in the first. Just click on the video. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points. Set the video as background. So this video is too much long, you need to make it short. Okay, so what you will do, you will click over here. Okay, click over here in the end of the video, keep clicking and swipe left. Okay, keep clicking and swipe left, or you can swipe right and you can make it short like this. So you will make it short so you can different video to make my video more engaging and professional. And I will click, for example, let's see, I will choose this one over here. So just put the videos that are related to cryptocurrency, like this one. Click on 3 points again, set video as background, make it short. Click on the next page. I will add this one over here, like this, and keep using this method. Okay, make it short. You need to and add different videos. Don't use the same video. Okay, keep using different videos to make your video more engaging and professional. Okay, so viewers can enjoy watching your video. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's see, I'm gonna add this one over here about cryptocurrency. So this video is about how to invest in cryptocurrency for beginners. So that's why you can use different I'm gonna use this one over here. Okay, make it like this. Click on the next page, scroll down, make sure to make your video long. Okay, so for me, I'm just showing you the method, so give it time so you can make professional and engaging YouTube videos. Okay, I'm going to choose this one over here, set the video as background, and here you go. Make it like this, click add page, and I will add the last one to see. Okay, let's add this one for example. Okay, Bitcoin, or let's add this one over here. You will find a lot of videos that are related to crypto on Canva. Okay, easy and simple. After you finish, go to the first page. Okay, let's check this video, guys, and let me know in the comments what's your opinion. Let's see.
Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. What is cryptocurrency? Simply put, it's a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. The most well-known crypto is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others known as altcoins. Now, why should you consider investing in crypto? Well, it offers incredible potential for high returns, operates 24, and provides a level of decentralization that traditional financial systems can't match. Exciting, right?
As you can see, guys, I just made a faceless YouTube video without showing my face, without using my voice, just by using those free websites. Okay, you can use PlayHT to record your script, and you can use Canva to make an engaging and professional videos, and you can start your own faceless YouTube channel for free. Okay, if you don't want to use AI voiceover, like I said, you can record your voiceover. Okay, you can, if you don't want to use your own voiceover, you can go and use AI voiceover. If you don't want to use AI voiceover, you can search for Fiverr or Upwork, and you can find people there that will record your YouTube scripts just for like $5, $10, and you can start your YouTube channel and be a content creator, start making videos that people are searching for, and you can keep improving your videos. You can start with this as a beginner and keep improving, keep learning skills about editing, and that's how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel. Okay, so after you finish, click over here on share, click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop, then you can go and upload this video to your YouTube channel and start making more content that people are searching for. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.